Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to play dots and boxes on iMessage. Alright, so first up, open up the messaging app. Now in here, go ahead and open up the message or choose a friend that you want to play against. So for example, this contact right here. Now go ahead and tap on the plus sign. There you go. Now tap on more at the very bottom and tap on store at the very top right here. Now it will open up your app store. So go ahead and use the search bar at the very top. And then find Game Pigeon, just like so. Tap on it, tap on Get right here besides Game Pigeon, and once that's installed, you can now then go ahead and close it, open up Messages again, and find the contact once more. Now tap on the plus sign. Now this time when you go ahead and tap on more, you'll be able to see Game Pigeon. So just tap on it, and go ahead and find the game, dots, and boxes. So just tap on it. Now select the board size 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, and just tap on send. All right. And after that, you would need to confirm it. Tap on play right here or send. And when you go ahead and tap on the game, the person should go ahead and join the game as well for you to be able to start. So the objective of the game right here is pretty easy. You'll have to close and claim more 1x1 square boxes than your opponent. And the player who owns the most completed boxes by the time the entire grid is filled wins the match. And that is how you play dots and boxes on iMessage. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.